Hello everyone and welcome to Hockey Box Break number 76. Tonight we'll be breaking two boxes of Upper Deck Trilogy. Little quick housekeeping note, we have one box of Upper Deck Black Diamond. Up as a random, $15 spots. Have a look for auction number 80, random Black Diamond, $15. Nice way to get, inexpensive way to get a shot at Edmonton, Arizona, Buffalo. Also, the last auction that ended for the trilogy tonight was the Winnipeg Jets. And I'll bring that down at 21.58, 9.58, and we are now 10.15. We'll be having another additional two boxes of trilogy up for next week, as well as the regular classics, limited, and we do also have another two boxes of Black Diamond under auction number 78 going for next week. The two boxes we're breaking today are ending in 558. And also ending in 652. Wish everybody the best of luck. We pulled a nice Dylan Larkin triple diamond rookie out of the Black Diamond break we just had a few moments ago. We're hoping to continue that on today. Good luck. 8 packs. Wish everybody the best of luck. Get the camera set. Zach Parise, numbered out of 566, Minnesota. Artemi Panarin, Chicago Blackhawks, numbered out of 999. Jake Vertman. He seems to pop up in every box. Vancouver. I think I've pulled 3 autographs of his so far. And this guy too, Daniel Sprong. Numbered out of 499. Bobby Hull. Triptychs numbered to 40. Congratulations to Chicago. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Edmonton Oilers. Numbered out of 111. Orange jersey piece. Triptych, Sidney Crosby. Pittsburgh Penguins. And the last pack of this box. Pekka Rinne, numbered out of 381. Bobby Fabry, St. Louis Blues, autograph, number of 199. Another redemption. Max Domi. Trilogy signature pucks. Max Domi. And I believe that's going to Phoenix or Arizona Cardinals. Or Arizona Cardinals. That's been a long day. It's going to Coyotes. PK Subban, Montreal. Number of 109. Daniel Sprong, rookie premieres. Number of 999. Pittsburgh. Norman Couture, San Jose. Max Domi. Arizona Coyotes, Phoenix Coyotes. Number out of 599. Matt Zuccarello, New York Rangers. And the last pack. Ryan Hartman, Chicago. Thanks again to everybody for your purchase. Look for us again next week. And check out that box break number 80, the Black Diamond at $15 a spot. We'll see you all again next week. Thank you.